Hello everyone, my name is James Stoffel from the Department of Space Studies at the University of North Dakota, and I'm coming to you in this just-in-time video from Houston, the home of human space exploration. This study evaluates the many risk and knowledge gaps associated with surface extravehicular activities, critical contingency EVAs, all laid out in NASA's Human Research Program, Integrated Research Plan, and Lunar and Martian Strategic Knowledge Gaps. With current NASA-funded endeavors in habitat design that utilize in situ resource utilization of local materials on those worlds, we're left with a few critical knowledge gaps that we need to address. Like vehicles, habitats are susceptible to impact and damage from a hostile operating environment such as the Space Shuttle Columbia has endured. This space study's objective will develop and evaluate the potential associated tools, techniques, and concept of operations to perform a critical contingency EVA habitat repair on a 3D printed planetary habitat. Utilizing UND's inflatable lunar Mars analog habitat mission number 7 this summer and a potential NASA mission in the near future, we'll be able to evaluate these EVA end-to-end concept of operations utilizing trained astronauts in an extreme environment and apply that knowledge towards the design and the concept of operation requirements for deep space gateway, long duration planetary missions, the advancement of technologies, and to contribute to the pale blue dot we call home. Thank you very much everyone for taking your time with me.